Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the art of car detailing, where we'll take your car's appearance to a whole new level with a showroom shine. Detailing is all about enhancing and preserving your car's beauty. Let's get started with the ultimate car detailing guide. First things first, gather your car care products. You'll need car wash soap, microfiber towels, a wash mitt, wax or sealant, glass cleaner, interior cleaner, tire cleaner, and a good quality polish. Let's begin with an exterior wash. Rinse the car to remove loose dirt and debris. Use the 2-bucket method for washing, one with soapy water and the other with clean water for rinsing your wash mitt. Start from the top and work your way down, gently scrubbing the surface to avoid scratches. Don't overlook the windows. Use a streak-free glass cleaner to clean both the interior and exterior glass surfaces. Clear windows enhance the overall appearance of your car. Don't forget about the wheels and tires. Apply a specialized wheel cleaner to break down brake dust and grime. Scrub the wheels with a wheel brush and then rinse thoroughly. For the tires, use a tire cleaner to restore their deep black appearance. Next, we'll use a clay bar to remove embedded contaminants from the paint. Lubricate the surface with a clay lubricant and gently glide the clay bar over the paint. You'll be amazed at how smooth the surface becomes. Now, it's time to bring out the shine. Apply a good quality polish to the paint using a dual action polisher or by hand. This will remove light scratches and swirl marks, leaving your car with a stunning gloss. After polishing, protect your car's paint with wax or sealant. Apply the wax in circular motions or use a sealant for longer lasting protection. This step will give your car that coveted showroom shine. Let's move inside for some interior detailing. Clean and vacuum the carpets, seats, and floor mats. Wipe down the dashboard, center console, and door panels with an interior cleaner. Finally, check for any missed spots and touch them up. Don't forget to dress the tires to give them a glossy finish. Stand back and admire your masterpiece. Congratulations! You've just learned how to achieve a showroom shine through proper car detailing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, happy detailing and safe driving.